with 300 clicks, I'm going to make $300. Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the fastest and easiest way to make money on Clickbank. So let's get right into it. First, what you're going to want to do is go to clickbank.com, create an account if you guys haven't already, put in your details. Once you guys get accepted as a Clickbank affiliate, the next thing that you're going to want to do is go to the affiliate marketplace. Then when you go to the affiliate marketplace, you're going to want to go to categories, but for this specific categories, we're going to go ahead and stick to e-business, which is make money online products, or health and fitness, because this is the type of offers you're going to want to promote using this method. So for this specific method, we're going to go ahead and use e-business and e-marketing. And what I did was I found the 12-minute affiliate system. Now, basically, the 12-minute affiliate system is a program. If I was to go ahead and actually check out what the product looks like, it's a program teaching people how to do affiliate marketing. So basically, where am I going to go ahead and actually send people to? I'm going to be sending people to this page right here. And after people go through the sales presentation and decide to go ahead and actually make a make a purchase, you'll notice here the 12-minute affiliate system, the average sell is $73.03, which is pretty high, right? So with that being said, the next thing that we're going to go to do, we're going to go ahead and actually go to the affiliates area, right? So the affiliate area is where you can go ahead and get done for you marketing materials. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and actually go to that right here. So this is what that looks like. This is what the affiliate area looks like. So if we scroll down here, we're going to go to grab your promotional tools, and they're going to give you things like banner ads, email swipes, so on and so forth. But specifically what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and actually use these emails that have already been written for me. So literally the work has already been done for me. So basically, I read through a couple of these emails. So just for time's sake, I skipped ahead to the one that I like the best, which is number 6. So what we're going to do is easier than copy and paste. So I like that subject line. And then this is the actual body copy. So this is too simple. Stop whatever you're doing. Go ahead and shut the door, turn off your phone, remove all distractions, because you're really going to want to see this. And then there's the first call to action. You are about to discover how to start pocketing affiliate commissions with a system that takes as little as 12 minutes to set up. There has literally never been a system for building your email list and pocketing daily affiliate commissions. And the best part is that the system is literally easier than copy and paste. Check it out here, and then another call to action. So what this is called an email swipe. And what you're going to want to do with an email swipe is send an email broadcast out to your list. But you're probably wondering, well, Eric, I don't have 10,000 email subscribers. I don't have 30,000 email subscribers. I don't even have an email list. So how am I going to go and leverage this email, right? It's done for me, but I have nobody to send it to. So that's where you're going to leverage a traffic source called Udimi. Now, basically, Udimi is a platform for make money online and weight loss products where you can find people who have email lists, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to go and actually find sellers. And when I go to find sellers, we're going to go ahead. This was found one seller at the moment. So I'm not sure why they're because I put 40%. So let's just say we put 30% sales. So basically, what I'm going to do, for example, is see how much these people are charging per click. So this person has 36% of the people who have gotten a sell, but he's charging 50 cents. This person has 39%, so he has a higher percentage, and his is 3 cents cheaper. And this person has 38%, and his is 43 cents. So I'm going to pay 43 cents, and he has a pretty, his is higher percentage than this guy, and the cost is less. So I'm going to go ahead and choose Wilfred Baker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and actually choose him as a solo provider. And then what I'm going to do here is it's going to go ahead and actually ask me to provide email copies. So what solo ads are, guys, is basically people who have these huge email lists, and they'll allow you to broadcast out to their email list. So you're literally leveraging somebody else's email list. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and actually use the email copy that was already written. So I'm going to go ahead and simply copy and paste. Where is it? So let's move this over here to make this a little bit easier. So we're going to copy and paste here. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and link this right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and insert my affiliate link. So in order to get your affiliate link, what you're going to do is press promote. Once you press promote, it's going to go ahead and tell you to, or give you access to your affiliate link. You're going to generate hop link. And then what I'm going to do is actually get this link. And in my solo, I'm going to put it right here in my call to action. So click there for details. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. So if I wasn't shooting a tutorial, I'd spend a little bit more time in the actual email and making sure like that spacing and everything was right. But just for time's sake, I just want to show you guys how easy this is. So this is too simple. Stop whatever you're doing, go ahead and shut the door. Turn off your phone, remove all the distractions because you're really going to want to see this. Click here for more details. So that's basically going to be your first call to action, which is my Clickbank link. You're about to discover how to start pocketing affiliate commissions with a with a system that takes as little as 12 minutes to set up. There has literally never been a system for building your email list and pocketing daily affiliate commissions. And the best part is that system is literally easier than copy and paste. Check it out here. Click here for more details. So what I'm going to do here is get the subject line and put easier than copy and paste. And then we're going to go ahead and put the subject line here, easier than copy and paste. So guys, look, I didn't even have to write the email. I don't have to have a large email list. All I'm doing is using the promotional materials that the affiliate program provided. And then with that, I'm getting access, or not getting access. With that, I'm connecting my affiliate links. I'm using somebody else's following. And then what I'm going to do, right, is if I do want to go ahead and let's just say only do top tiers, probably going to increase the price a little bit to $162. So basically what I'm going to do is I would go ahead and add to cart. I would make the purchase. And then with the $162, they're going to go ahead and actually deliver 300 clicks. So out of those 300 clicks, if I was to go back to the affiliate program, right, I'm not sure if it talks about conversion rates. It talks about earnings per click is on average $3.81. And then the 2% sales conversion, right? So 2% sale conversion. Let me break down these numbers to you guys really quick. So 2% sale conversion, right? 2% sale conversion means that out of 100 visitors, you should get 2 sales. So let's see how much each sale costs. Or excuse me, each sale on average pays out $73. So on average, per 100 visitors, I should be getting about $140. So that means if I invest $162 on this solo ads run, I could make up to 140 times 3 would be like $420 or something like that. And the same thing if I was to go ahead and just do 300 clicks times $3.81 earning per click. But even at a worst case scenario, if let's just say my earnings per click was $1, not the crazy numbers it's saying is $3.81. So let's say it was $1. With 300 clicks, I'm going to make $300 if the earnings per click was $1. Spending $162. So that's basically, it's kind of like printing money, guys. What you're doing is leveraging somebody else's following. You're leveraging somebody else's marketing material, and literally in less than 10 minutes, you guys can make $100, like $100 per day. And then what you want to do is reinvest those profits back into your business, so on and so forth. Now, chances are, right, with Udemy, they actually don't like direct linking. Some will allow you to, but very rarely will they. And if they don't allow you to, or if they don't want you to direct link, which is right here, what I just taught you guys, traffic to offer, sometimes you can, especially if it's your own email list. But sometimes they want to go ahead and actually have you put an opt-in link or an opt-in, right? So if you guys want to learn the expert route, which is basically instead of driving traffic to your affiliate offer, and then let's just say you only have one chance to sell that person on that product, the expert route would be basically driving traffic to an opt-in page, which is a page that captures an email, and then redirect them to your offer. So one of the benefits of that is that you actually start building an email list of your own. So that way, if you wanted to go in and send 300 clicks to an affiliate offer and earn a couple $100 in a click of a button, you can do that because you have your own email list. Not only that, is if you go ahead and send traffic through the opt-in page to the affiliate offer and they don't buy the first time, you can go ahead and send them a series of emails over the next couple of days, let's just say 7 to 14 days, over a 14-day period. And let's just say they didn't buy the first time they saw the sales video, but let's just say day 11, they saw the video one more time and they actually decided to make a purchase. That could also increase your return on investment with your paid advertising or your paid marketing. So for time's sake, I'm not going to go and actually teach you guys how to set up all the systems and all the offers and all this extra stuff. But if you guys want to go ahead and actually get access to done-for-you marketing materials, done-for-you systems, to where I'll go ahead and actually just give you guys my funnels, give you guys my emails to actually follow Make Money Online opportunities, and basically teach you guys how to connect everything from start to finish. Literally, if you guys want 90% done-for-you marketing materials, yeah, so take action, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video.